Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome back. Before you keep watching, please hit that subscribe button down below. It will be greatly appreciated. Today I filmed this smoky eye for you guys with the glitter. I actually just bought this Stilla Duo eyeshadow palette, and it has like a gray. It has glitter, and then it has like a metallic shade gray. So this is really cool. This is kind of what inspired me. Yeah, so I did this smoky look based off that Stilla palette that I just showed you. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm just jumping right in, and I'm filling my brows in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I'm just shading my brows in with that, and I also traced my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Expresso. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Precise Illuminator, and I'm just going to be carving my brows out with this, and I'm using just a Wet n Wild concealer brush. Now I'm going back in with that Maybelline Illuminator pencil, and I'm just going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm taking a Real Techniques blending brush and just blending that concealer on my eyelids out. Then I'm going in with this black eyeliner. I can't remember who it's by. I'll leave that in the description box down below. And I'm just going to be putting this on my lids. Now, it's kind of tricky when you use black gel liner like this, because you don't want to bring the shadow too far up to where it's not really considered smoky. It looks real crazy, but you guys get the gist of what I'm talking. Then I'm going in with this MAC Carbon Dark Black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be packing that on top of that black gel liner, just so it doesn't go anywhere when I go to blend it out. Then I'm going back in with that same black shadow, and I'm going to be blending the edges of that dark eyeshadow that I placed down, just so the lines aren't super harsh. And I'm probably going to be blending this. I was probably blending this eye probably for like 20-25 minutes each on each side, because you really want to make sure that the edges are nice and smooth and well blended together. Now I'm going with my Stilla eyeshadow. It's like a duo shadow type deal thing. And I used my finger, but that really wasn't packing the pigment on like I really wanted to, so I went in with this flat oh my gosh. I went in with this flat brush, and I'm just packing that on my lid area. Going in with this Maybelline Master Cameo color corrector. I do have some like hyperpigmentation kind of on my face, as you see down there, above my chin, under my chin, or on my chin, whatever, on the top of my lip, because y'all, I be having a fucking mustache. Like, I get it waxed, I get it threaded, and it still seems to be like a mustache. I don't know, but I'm just using this, and I'm going down under my eyes as well, because I kind of have like some dark circles. I'm going in with this MAC brush, and I'm just gonna blend that orange shade out, because I feel like if you don't and then you apply your foundation, you look like a pumpkin. I tried it before, and I'm like, oh no. Going in with this Maybelline Superstay foundation in Warm Sand, and I'm blending this out with it's like a blush brush. I don't know, it's like a BH Cosmetics brush, so I'm not really sure like what exactly the brush is called. And then I'm gonna go in and pretty much set everything inside my face with this Real Techniques diamond sponge. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Biscuit, and I'm just going to be putting that underneath my eyes, on top of my lip and down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going in with this ABH contour kit in light to medium. I'm taking this lightest brown shade. It's not the darkest shade in the palette, so I guess the lightest brown shade in the palette. I'm just gonna be cream contouring down the sides of my cheeks, above my forehead. I use this Real Technique sponge, but I was looking like, sis, this is not even blending the concealer out. I mean, not the concealer, the cream contour out. So I end up switching to a Real Technique sponge because I feel like this type of contour or whatever kind of just sits in your face. So I had to get something like that was more denser that I could like blend out. Then I'm going in with that Real Technique sponge that I used to blend my foundation out. And I'm just going to be dabbing that underneath my eye, I guess you want to say. Like, yeah, concealing my under eyes. Boom, there we go. I said it. Then I'm going in with the True Complexions contour palette. I love this palette. It's like super affordable too. I'm going in with the contour shade, and I'm just going to like bring some more definition to my face. And I'm gonna also set my cream contour because you don't really want that to slip and slide. I'm oily, so definitely need to set that creamy contour. Now I'm just going in and baking underneath my under eyes, like a slight bake. I don't do too much baking. And this is the banana powder mixed with the Airspun. Then I'm taking I don't even remember what highlighter this was, to be honest. Again, I'll put that in the description box. And I'm going in with these faux mink lashes by Ardell. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I got a bronze again, y'all. I'm trying to be cut. You know what I'm saying? This is the MAC Mineralized Bronzer in Sunpower. This used to be super orange on me, but for some reason now it's not. I'm bronzing my forehead. Then I'm going in with the NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Cocoa. It's like a reddish brown. I really want to call it like a brown shade because it's more like on the redder side. I don't know. I'm gonna do like a little, lip contour or whatever, but y'all see my bottom lip. I don't need no lip contour down there. Maybe on the top, but not on the bottom because that bitch is hanging. Now I'm going in with the Milani. Ooh, child, I don't even remember what this was. This is bad. This is really bad. I'll let you guys know what it is, but this color reminds me of somebody's lips. Like, it's super like not ready. It's like pinky. It's more like on the pink mauve side. And I'm just pairing that with this look, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and keep watching because I have a vlog that is coming up right now. So we are ready. I don't even know what Kayla's doing. This is my cousin Kayla. Look, I'm doing a video. This ain't Facebook Live.
A video for what? Your memories?
No, my Facebook. I mean, my YouTube. So I'm eating a hamburger.
Nobody cares.
We're supposed to be going somewhere to Royal Oak. It's called Mr. B's. So if y'all ever come to Detroit, check out Mr. B's. This is probably like my second time being here. Well, going. What about you?
Never been.
Really? I thought you had. I think I went on like a Saturday. Today's a Friday.
I would have almost went on your birthday.
Oh, yeah, that was bad.
No?
But yeah, and it's raining here, y'all. And it's freezing. And Kayla taking all day.
I'm ready. You don't want to eat it?
You said you had to take the dog out.
Oh, I'm gonna take him home.
Bro.
I don't feel like walking. It's cold. This ain't no 20 degrees outside.
You can't just like let him out?
Yeah, you gonna go chase after him and fight him?
Oh, nah.
Okay. My shoe game is
Why?
popping.
Yeah, you used to buy shoes almost all the time.
I stopped.
Why?
I don't know. Because I don't get dressed and go nowhere anymore.
But still, just to have in case situations like this.
When we was 18, we was trying to go to every club. Fucking mankind.
We really was, though. We was in that Necto joint.
That was about it.
Oh, yeah, because we was only 18.
We did hookah. We was at hookah.
Oh, yeah. Hookah, though, was fun.
We was at hookah faithfully.
Didn't they shut? No. It was like new management or something?
Yeah. China hookah.
6.5 hours later.
I just looked at the time like I'm not even recording. That's some funny shit. You want some gum?
Yes, I said
Oh.
already. I'll finish your makeup.
Yeah.
My baby told her. Her teacher in Carter saying you saying it all.
Bro, you haven't even stood up. Yeah, you used to always play that shit. I'm like, bro.
Pretty Willie, not original.
Yeah, but you will always play that shit. Get the rest of that bottle. Oh! Because it's like just maybe what? A few more.
Drive the limits, right?
Huh?
You gonna drive the limits, right?
Yeah, I'm going to drive the limit.
You don't, you on your own. I'm gonna get out like the vodka.
Bro! In the hills, you gonna run?
They're gonna be in a car.
Bro. Y'all, she fucking up.
No fucking help.
Bro.
The plants got liquor. She asked me to water the plants too. I did.
Do you have to lock the door? Huh? Lighter? No, I'm asking. That's what you just said?
My wallet.
Oh.
Is it raining?
It's like sprinkling like it was. It's not really raining. And I feel like this front camera on my phone is terrible. I really need to get a vlog camera. Because I didn't want to carry around my actual camera that I use when I'm filming. So why is this lady fucking staring at me as I'm getting to the car? She's staring at her fucking blinds like some weird shit, bro. Like, bitch, what? Bro, this lady staring out the fucking window, looking, just stand there for like 5 minutes. So, we're at this pizza place. Kayla can't stop fucking laughing. What up? What's up? Bro, shut up. You keep saying that all the time. Every time you see me.
You didn't get
My
on
beautiful
70.
cousin.
You didn't get on 696, did you?
It was an M14, so yeah, I think it was.
You think it was?
Y'all took 14 probably back that way.
This is the pizza.
And it's got a crunch to it. We didn't even bite into it yet.
Whatever.
We in these Royal Oak streets. It's sprinkling. We got Kayla bundled up.
Cause it's cold and a motherfucker. That burps.
drunk as fuck. In the jacket? Oh yeah, definitely, girl. So how was your experience going, Kayla?
Oh my goodness, it's so great. We're so fucking lit.
And we're at the bar getting another drink.
You're welcome. I hope you like them.
You too. Wait, don't drink it yet. We have, what are these called?
Jolly Ranchers. You want to take a shot now? Yeah. Oh, that was pretty good.
Why it seemed like it was so much?
It did seem like it was a lot. That was like a double shot. Missionary with the
successful night, you guys.
You're annoying. We're leaving.
How was your night, Kayla?
Pretty good. Yours?
Lovely. We thought.
I can't wait to choose one.
Right. We thought it was gonna be dead when we first went in there. It was probably like 12, I think, was in there. And then people started coming in. Right. I feel like if it would have been overcrowded, it probably would have been like, we probably would have been mad as fuck, because
Right, we would have been hot as shit.
we would have had, nowhere to sit. So it was good. It was fun. It was straight. So again, if y'all come to Royal Oak, Michigan, go to Mr. B's. I'm trying to sponsor them. Give them some business. So you guys, it is 6:39 a.m. and I'm just now getting home. Had a really great night with my cousin and everything, and it was really good. I didn't really know how it was gonna go, just because it being kind of, a little sort of dead-ish, I guess you can say, but it turned out really well. I will see you guys in my next vlog, so make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, so if I'm like murmuring or talking crazy, that's that talking because I'm tired. But like I said, be sure to comment, like, especially subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the little bell so you can get all my notifications when I do upload. And you guys have a great evening, day, morning, whenever you're looking at this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.